In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Webflow website for free if you've been working hard on your Webflow project and want to download your site quickly and efficiently without spending a dime. You're in the right place. Let's walk through this easy process together so you can have your website saved offline in no time at all. To begin, you'll need to locate the link to your Webflow site. This is crucial because this link serves as the key that will grant you access to the downloadable version of your site. If your site isn't already published, go ahead and publish it. This will generate the direct.io URL that you'll need. Now, where exactly can you find this URL? It's simple. Once your site is published, Webflow will provide you with the .io address, which usually looks something like yoursite.webflow.io. This URL is essentially the web address of your published site, and it's what you'll need to proceed with the download process. Now that you have the URL in hand, let's move on to the actual downloading part. Head over to a tool called webflowexport.com. This is a handy web service designed specifically to facilitate the easy export of Webflow websites. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a space where you can paste your Webflow site's URL. Go ahead and paste the .io URL that you copied from your published site into this field. After pasting the URL, you'll see an option to export the site. Click on the Export button. This is where the tool works its magic by preparing your site for download. What it's doing is essentially compiling all the necessary files from your site into a single package that's ready to be saved offline. This might take a moment, so just be patient while it runs through the exporting process. Once the export is complete, you'll have the option to download your site. Click on the download button, and just like that, your entire Webflow site is saved in a neat, compressed zip file. This zip file contains all the files and assets needed to recreate your website offline. You can store this file on your computer, move it around to other devices, or keep it as a backup. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully downloaded your Webflow site for free, and you're all set to explore it offline or use it as a backup. This process is not only cost-effective, but also extremely efficient for any Webflow user looking to have a downloadable version of their project. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.